Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the audio usable. Open your file manager and find the song file. Once done, rename it to a simple ASCII name and confirm format compatibility like MP3 or M4A. Make sure the file size is reasonable so uploading won't fail. Then change permissions or move the track into the system ringtone directory or the app-accessible ringtones folder so the dialer or carrier app can see it. This first step, you now use the carrier or caller tune app to assign the file. First, open the app and allow storage access so it can read the ringtones folder. Next, choose Add or Upload and navigate to the file you prepared. Select it and follow prompts to upload. If available, trim start and end points to capture the hook. This matters because short previews are what callers hear. Once uploaded, choose Set as Caller Tune for your number and wait for confirmation within the app. You finish by verifying the tune is active. Place a test call from another line or check the app's status indicator. If the tune doesn't play, first recheck that the file format and permissions are correct and that the carrier supports custom tunes. Next, clear the app cache or retry uploading the same file. Sometimes re-registering fixes propagation delays. If problems persist, contact carrier support and provide the file name, upload time, and any error messages so they can investigate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.